Hey guys, it's Renee. So today I wanted to share with you how to make this witch's boots Halloween straws decorations that you can use either for drinks or to decorate cupcakes. So I'm going to start with this template that I did. I followed a lot of images online. So yeah, I did that sketch on a random post-it. But yeah, I'm just going to be cutting that. And so this is going to be my template. I'm going to be using some orange, purple, and green paper, placing my template over paper. And I'm just going to be tracing the shape with my pencil, tracing it again on top of that. And then I'm just going to cut the shape. Now I'm going to be using this Sharpie that has the two ends, like the normal one and the super extra ultra fine one. I don't know what it's called. Drawing 3 dots and then a few lines. Now it's time to put the whole thing together. For that, I'm going to be using this paper straws. I got them at Target a long time ago. I use for daily use silicone ones, but I thought this would look cute. And then some tape. And I'm just going to be pretty much putting my boots or my witch's boots upside down, then working on the back of them. And this is how I am taping the whole thing. And yeah guys, these are pretty much the straws ideas that I want to share with you. I think these are really cute, easy to make, affordable, and they look super cute, fast to make as well. This 6 months took me, apart from the cutting part that is the most time consuming part, 5 to 10 minutes. I saw this idea online. This is not my original idea. I just want to mention that, but I thought the idea was super cute and I wanted to give it a try. You can use this idea for drinks or as cupcake decorations. Just place the straws inside the cupcakes, and that's an easy decoration right there, or pretty much for anything that needs a straw. But yeah, I really hope you liked them. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Check out more DIYs I have on my channel, subscribe for more. Don't forget to let me know what you think of these ones and share them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later and take care. Bye.